Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the oven door lock rod in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screw, securing the power cord retaining plate. Next, unthread the 6 mounting screws, securing the range's lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the panel and set it aside. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the door lock motor to the rear panel. Rotate the motor mounting plate to release the door lock rod. Next, open the oven door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the main top. With the screws unthreaded, pull the main top forward to fully remove. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the induction coil support panel. Lift the panel up and support it. Now unthread the 2 screws securing the door latch to the front panel. Push the door latch assembly back, and you can detach the door lock rod from the assembly and fully remove the old rod. To install the new oven door lock rod, insert the end with the 2 bends through the hole in the rear panel, so the end with the single bend rests near the front panel. Attach the front end of the rod to the door latch assembly cam. Insert the latch through the slot in the front panel, then thread the 2 screws to secure. Remove the support and reposition the induction coil support panel. Thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the main top by aligning the sides under the front support bracket. Then carefully slide the top back, pressing the induction coils down as you do this. With the top in place, thread the 3 screws in front to fully secure it. Returning to the rear of the appliance, attach the rod to the motor assembly cam. Reposition the motor and thread the 2 screws to secure. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first inserting the power cord retaining plate. Then align the notches on the bottom of the access panel with the tabs. Tuck the upper edge of the panel under the upper access panel. Then thread the 6 screws to secure. Rethread the lower screw to secure the power cord retaining plate to the access panel. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the induction range should be ready for use.